In the first area of the General Settings page, you can define which units of measure should be visualized for currency and weight, depending on the area where you are operating. These two additional options allow you to set the format of values allowed for weight and costs. Specifically, the first field lets you set how many decimal numbers are allowed for ingredient quantities. By default, the value is 2, but you can increase it to 3 if you are dealing with ingredients loaded in very small quantities. The second field allows you to increase the decimal numbers allowed for costs. By default, the value is set at 2, but you have the possibility to increase it if you have ingredients with a very small cost per unit of measure. In the lower part of the page, you have the option to enable some specific features, which by default are not visible. Enable ration sum. Enable this feature to add rations to the pen considering the sum must be equal to 100%. If disabled, the sum could be greater or lower than 100%. Feeders management. Enable this feature to enable feeders control. Specifically, this flag allows you to see the feeder menu inside the farm management area, to create new feeders, and all feeders information in the reports. Automatic change of the adjustment based on refusal. This feature will allow you to set an adjustment together with the registration of the refusal. To do this, you will need to define your map of association between refusal quantities and adjustments on the refusal page. Enable Recipe Scheduler. Enable this feature to see the recipe planner. The recipe planner allows you to plan changes in the recipes that will become available in the future. This option will be available on the recipes page. Enable Stock. Enable this feature to see the stock area and manage the warehouse, suppliers, stock level, stock history, and notifications. Milk Yield. This field contains the selling price of the milk in order to calculate the income. Credentials for external milking data. These fields are visible if the Enable External Milking Data checkbox is enabled in the Additional Settings menu. They are necessary to work with the automatic milk import. Milk Aggregation Settings. In this drop-down menu, you can enter a list of groups to be used for efficiency calculation. You need to enter here the group types corresponding to milking cows. In this way, the total IOFC and efficiency will be calculated only considering feeding data corresponding to milking cows, not all cows. The user could click on Reset button at the bottom page in order to restore all the initial settings.